Hey guys, Nathan here from Team 11353 Lightning Robotics, and today we're going to talk about 80/20 linear slides. The two beams we're going to focus on today are the 10/20 and the 10/10. Their differences are the 10/10 is a single beam with one rail on each side, versus the 10/20 has two beams stacked on top of each other. The purpose of a linear slide is to change your rotational power from your motor to linear power with your linear slide. This is useful for missions like lifting your robot at the end of the game or reaching over the crater wall. To construct your linear slide, you're going to start with a bearing and attach it to the inside of the bar. Then tighten it at the very, very top. Then you're going to take your slide bearings and you're going to throw them next to the middle bearing. You're going to want one on each side so it keeps the bar steady. To add your sliding bar, you're going to do the same thing you did the first time, but on the bottom of your next bar. Once you've added them to the bottom, then you're just going to connect your parts. If you drag this along with your hand, it should slide very easily. The next thing you're going to want to do is add your string guide. This goes on the top and it just screws in right to the side. From my personal experience, I've had many problems keeping the string inside the string guide. So our team created something we call the Pcap. This slides right over the top, and it has two gaps in the bottom for the string to go through, and keeps the string inside the slide. Once you've added your string guide, you're going to want to add a way to mount your string. Our team, we always throw a screw in the bottom and tie a knot around the screw with the string. Once you've tied your knot, you're ready to string your system. Start where you tied your knot, and go from top to bottom of every slide, until you get to your motor. Then, using a spool, you can coil your string to go up and down. To add multiple stages to a 10/10 system, you're going to need to stagger your parts to add the next bearing. This does become a problem height-wise because you only have 18 inches, but it does keep it lighter and it keeps it narrower. To add multiple stages to a 10/20 system, you're going to add your bearing next to the last one. This is easier and it keeps it shorter, but it is a lot heavier and it is a lot wider. Thanks for watching. For more useful tips, like and subscribe. Also feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll see all of you in the next video.